Well, I have bad news. There's a thief within our garden. They're coming down, swooping into our beds and stealing up all of our great strawberries that we've been looking to harvest pretty soon. They've taken down 2 pretty red strawberries already, and I can tell that they're gonna get to some others soon. So this morning I am grabbing a bowl. I'm gonna head down to the stream and we're gonna be trying out a tactic to see if we can deter them from the strawberries. Now, this tactic I saw on a few different social media sources, and basically what it is we're gonna gather up some small river stones, we're gonna paint them, and hopefully plop them into the garden bed so that we can deter anyone that's coming out to get these strawberries. So let's head down to the river. We're gonna grab some rocks and see if this works. This little tiny one. Now, the goal is to find ones that maybe would be the same size as a strawberry, but who knows if we'll have any luck with that. Okay. All of our rocks are now dry and it is time for arts and crafts. Well, I actually didn't have any paint around the house that was waterproof, so I figured I would just grab some quick dry nail polish in red and then white for our little dots. Then I'm gonna go ahead, let these guys dry. My artistic skills are quite lacking, but I think that these are going to do pretty well. We're gonna let these dry and then we're gonna go lay them out in the garden. All right, I have some of my rocks right here. We're gonna go add them into the garden and hopefully this will deter our thief that's on the loose. I've gone ahead and put them into the bed. I added them in between where there was already some green strawberry leaves. I tried to not put them too close to where there's some strawberries that just aren't ripe yet, but let's see, hopefully this works. Comment down below if you're doing this, if this has worked for you, and this way you can see if it works for us or not. And see you guys again next time. Bye.